Welcome back. Now news from sports. South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia has been elected unopposed as the president of Goa Athletic Association. President of Mandavi Athletic Club and former national level athlete Paresh Kamath is the new general secretary of the association. Meanwhile, the outgoing secretary Mario Moraes termed the elections as illegal and said he will go to court. Sardinia brushed off Mario's threat, saying the association was unanimous about the elections.
The elections were conducted on Sunday after the annual general body meeting in Panji. Sardinia was elected president for his 5th term.
All my colleagues, they have reposed their faith in me, and I have been elected once again as the president of this association. We have 5 vice presidents: Shri Gurudas Nadikar, Srimati Anita Rodriguez, Shri Sharat Choprekar, Shri Rupesh Halankar, and Shri Oswald Da Costa. We have General Secretary Shri Paresh Kamath, who also has been unanimously elected. 2 joint secretaries, Shri João Rodrigues and Shri Gurudas Samant. And treasurer, right now, we are short of money, so it is Chetan Kaulekar who will do the job.
Outgoing General Secretary Mario Moraes says he will seek legal action, claiming that the election was rigged.
Overall, if I think the way the proceedings went, it was totally illegal.
Okay, so what will be your next step?
No, next step only I'll have to take legal action because Delhi High Court order is there, Sports Ministry guidelines are there, Sports Authority of Goa guidelines are there. Then some of the observers, they didn't have the letter of authority. So in short, the total elections have been rigged and membership roll has been manipulated.
President Sardinia and his committee laughed off Mario's allegations.
If members are manipulated, how all the members are there? Maybe according to him, anybody who thinks 5, 6 may be manipulated. If at all, if he thinks, how can all are be manipulated? They have been part and parcel of this association. Sarkevuna, all are present many. How all can be manipulated?
Everybody of us knows what happened for Commonwealth Games. There was a huge scale of corruption and I am afraid that the same thing might happen here for Lusophobia Games.
How the money will come to the association? Tell me. Is association involved? Is the government who is organizing?
Lusophobia is the government who is organizing.
There is a baseless allegation.
See, आता किती सांगतलो तो of late तो समतालो सगळा आपण म्हणून.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Kampal.
ONGC 2020 cricket will pit former Ranji cricketers against each other in the Inter-Sectoral Cricket Cup from Monday. The matches will be played at Porori and Margao. The semi-finals and finals will be held at GCA Academy ground in Porori. In all, 7 teams are participating in the tournament of employees of ONGC through sports quota.
Captains of the participating teams and ONGC General Manager P.K. Nair disclosed the details of the tournament on Sunday afternoon.
In this tournament, a lot of former Ranji Trophy players are participating from various teams. This T20 tournament will be played on a league cum knockout basis. 7 teams have been divided into 2 groups, 3 teams in Group A and 4 teams in Group B. And the matches will be held in 2 different grounds, at GCA and at MCC. Both the semi-finals and the final will be played at the GCA ground. The purpose of this sporting extravaganza is to promote awareness amongst the employees towards sports, health, team building, and also an opportunity for the employees to meet the persons from the other work centers of ONGC.
I'm a captain of Assam Arrogance. Basically, this is the asset team, Assam Asset, and we have such a wonderful bunch of ex-Ranji Trophy players.
My team is Baroda Pirates and we come from Gujarat.
My name is Pradeep Jain. I am from Delhi team. We have 7 to 8 Ranji Trophy players like Tilak Raj Sharma, Rajesh Baba, Ravi Sehgal, Amit Sharma, Tilak Raj, Gautam Vadera.
I am from Bombay. My name is Sachin. Since our captain is not around, I am just representing Bombay. I myself have played Ranji from Bombay.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.